guys, what's up? How you doing today? How are you doing today? It's not the time. Oh my gosh, it's not the time. As I was saying, Jare, how are you guys doing today? I have a really quick haul for you, really quick. So it's from Modcloth, guys, and I've actually partnered with them to do this video. So anything that I mentioned is going to be linked in the description box down below, so make sure you check it out. But they're actually doing a really nice initiative, which is called the Say It Louder campaign, and it's great because it's just talking about what empowers you. And so I would love it if you guys would just comment down below what empowers you. Personally, I am just empowered when I see beautiful, strong women doing their, like, living their best life. And I know living your best life, you know, but just like killing it in their respective fields. That's why, like, I know social media sometimes can be like a lot, but you know, a lot of times I just draw a lot of inspiration, and I just feel really good when I see people really doing the things that they love and following their passions. So yeah, that is what empowers me. Make sure you're subscribed if you're already subscribed, and give a thumbs up for more hauls and more videos in general, because I think I need to do an update video for you guys, because so many things are going on. And make sure you tell me which one is your favorite piece, so pay attention so you can tell me which one you like the most. And yeah. Oh, let's talk about these clothes. Let's talk about it. So the first thing I'm talking about is this shirt right here. And it says, so I don't really, you know, it's in French. So I took French in high school for like 2 years. Like, it's not, you know, so let's just, okay. So it says, les droits des femmes. Anybody speak French out here? Anyone want to, you know, let me know how to say it. But yeah, no, this means women's rights, and it's just fitting because, you know, we're talking about women and being empowered. And yeah, so women's rights. I really like this shirt. I think it's just really casual. I love when t-shirts have like really great sayings on them, so that when I wear them, you know, maybe it can spark a conversation, you know, French, women's rights, you know, feel me? Getting it? Next, I have these pants, which, first of all, are we loving the retro print? Are we? I feel like we're loving it. Are we on the same page here? No, but I'm really loving this print. I love it. I love it. It's high-waisted, and it's also like palazzo-ish pants. You know what I mean? Like flared. And I mean, what more is there to say? There's not really much to say. But I think it's an interesting length. Like, it doesn't reach all the way to your bottom, but then it kind of, you know, you'll be seeing it. I'm talking. But anyway, yeah. So this is something else I got. Ooh. Okay, so this is a jean dress. I already wore this. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, I mean, at this point, like, what even is that? No. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen this. I wore it on July 4th for a little, you know, outing. I was going to go to a cookout and a pool party, but then it started raining, and then it didn't, and just craziness happened. But for the most part, I love this. I'm definitely gonna wear this again because it's so cool, and it has like buttons in the front, and you know, we bought that life. We bought it. So yeah, for sure. Next, I have this. Now, I be tripping sometimes because you know good and well you don't know what you're gonna wear this with, but you know when you see something and the model look cute in it, and you're just like, oh, let's get this. That's what happened. So now here I have these like striped overalls, which actually, funny enough, the model was wearing it with this, so I'm gonna do the same. But I'm also gonna think of other ways to wear this. I feel like maybe like a cream off-shoulder top, you know, a tank top. You know, help me out, y'all. Let me know. I don't know. I like it. It's like a jean material, but it has this really cool pattern in it, you know. So we're about to do something. You feel me? So yeah, I keep saying you feel me. I'm really sorry. Like. Next up is this black jumpsuit. Now, you're probably looking at it and you can't even tell what's happening, but don't worry, I'm gonna put it on because I know you probably want to understand. But basically, it's like really loose, really like 70s vibes. You can make it really casual by just wearing this with like sandals and just, you know, keeping it casual, or you can like cinch it at the waist and put on some heels and turn it into a night out or whatever in between. You can also, I think the model had on a shirt under, which automatically changes the way it's gonna look as well. So, you know, I like innovation. So yeah, you can do a lot of things with this. I'm a fan. I'm about that life. Let's do it. Okay, this isn't really a shirt I would wear under it, but I wanted to show you, you know, a shirt so you can get the vibes. My goodness, I almost forgot. So I got these earrings with it. So basically it's this bug earrings. I'm gonna come up close so you can see it. But it is so cool, and like God forbid I would ever see a bug this big or in any way shape or form. Like, am I mad? Am I actually okay? Low key, I'm kind of scared. Like, imagine seeing this in the dark where you can't see anything. Like, wouldn't you think it's an actual bug? But anyway, it's cool though, and I like it, and I'm a fan. So yeah. So this is the last piece of clothing that I got, and it is a sweatshirt, and it says "feministe," like it's like feminist but in French. It's so comfortable, you guys, and I love that. Once again, that casual look where we're not trying to do the most. You know, we don't have time for that, but we're trying to just, you know, still get the point across and, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, let me move on to purses. So the first purse I'm gonna bring out, which is my absolute favorite in the world, is this right here. It is red, and I wear this all the time. Like, it doesn't even make sense sometimes. I'm like, oh, gotta carry my red purse. Like, why are you doing that? But I love it so much, and it fits so much stuff. Like, I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I put my shoes in here. So I was at Essence Fest, and oh, we're gonna talk about Essence Fest in the update video, don't worry. But yeah, so I carried this bag because I was wearing heels, right? And my feet were hurting me before I even stepped out of the house. So I went back and I put in my sandals. They fit in here along with everything, like my vlog camera, everything was inside. And then when I took off my heels, I was able to put my heels inside this bag. As in, it doesn't even make sense. It doesn't make sense, but it does. And then I also have this bag, which has a little thing that goes inside. It came with, be right back. All right, I'm back. So yeah, it came with a little, you know, like it's like a bag inside a bag. And so that's kind of like, it has a zipper, so you can wear this by itself, you know, clutch, or you can put it inside, and it has a little clip that clips it in so it won't like fall out or anything. So it's faux leather, and then it has suede right here. Are we getting it? Yeah. I also have this clutch right here, which is just very nice for, like, you know, I don't have many clutches, but then I always find that when I'm heading out, I'm like, oh, I wish I had a clutch, because you don't want to carry something too big, because who has time? But then you also want to carry like your essentials in there, you know. Look at that pattern, y'all. Look at that. Can we talk about this? You know. Carry it and go. Let me show you a few pairs of shoes, and then I'm done. So this is the first pair, and traditionally this is not like my style. If you like, I don't. What is my style anyway? I wear anything as long as it looks good. First of all, it's got that chunky heel, really comfortable. I love the colors. Yeah, it's just an added touch. So love these. I've also got these gold sandals, which are just very staple, you know. Gold sandals, can't go wrong. And I just love, they're just so cute. Like, and they look really cute on. So just another addition to my closet. I love things that, like, I know I'm gonna wear lots and lots and lots of times, and this is definitely one of them. So yay, we're loving this. We're loving it. Last but never the least, I have these Oxfords, and I like these are really cool, very, very sturdy, very, very good material, and yeah, they just, you know. All right, guys, I am done with this video. If you liked it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Try not to make it too long, because I find that, like, you don't even really want to hear me talk, or do you? I don't even know. But anyway, let me know which pieces you like. I personally am a fan of the palazzo pants, the pink ones, and then also my red, you know, my red bag that, you know, did me right as his best, you know. But yeah, let me know which pieces you like down below. Make sure you check out Modcloth and join the campaign. Say it louder. Just let's talk about it. Let's talk about, you know, being empowered and being a woman and what it means, and, you know, I just love it. I love that we are now in the age where we really we have rights, and we're able to do what we want to do, versus, you know, obviously we hear about how it was back in the day when we couldn't even vote and we couldn't do all these things. So, you know, I'm loving this age right now, even though we still have a long way to go. You know, there's still a glass ceiling, but at least right now we're on the right track. So yeah, anyway, all right guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. All right guys, and see you guys. How many times did I say guys? But yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, bye.